A reliable three-prong power cord ensures safe, stable electricity delivery, grounding protection, and dependable PC performance. My today's video is about top 5 best three-prong power cords for PC that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lordtronic's three-prong AC power cord. The 10 feet, 3 meters, three-prong PC power cord is a practical replacement for anyone needing extra reach and dependable power for a computer or other compatible device. Its 18 AWG, 3-wire construction features a NEMA 5-15P plug, an IEC 60320C13 connector, supporting up to 125V and 10A for reliable everyday operation. The generous 10-foot length makes it easier to connect equipment positioned farther from wall outlets, reducing the need for extensions or awkward setups. Its universal compatibility allows it to work as a TV power cord, printer cable, monitor power cable, or power supply cord, making it a versatile addition to a home or office. Built to balance flexibility with durability, it is well suited for replacing worn or damaged PSU cables while handling regular use. The package includes one high-quality 10-foot AC three-prong power cord, offering a straightforward and convenient replacement solution. Now our second product is Aderine Power Cord 3FT/5-pack. This 18 AWG 3-conductor SJT power extension cord combines durability, flexibility, and safety for everyday electronics and appliances. Its multi-stranded oxygen-free copper conductors are designed to withstand 5000+ bends while improving conductivity and helping reduce heat and energy loss. Rated at 125E divided by 10A divided by 1250W, it supports many household devices, while thick flame retardant insulation offers protection across temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius and meets VW 1FT, 1 fire safety standards. The ETL certified plug and cable feature durable nickel-plated prongs for reliable insertion and removal. With a NEMA 5-15P male plug and IEC 320C13 female connector, it works with many desktop computers, monitors, printers, and compatible TVs. A multi-pack makes it convenient for multiple setups or keeping spares available, while 15 included cable ties help maintain a neat workspace. The 2-year refund or replacement warranty adds extra confidence. Just stay within the 125E divided by 10A divided by 1250W rating and avoid overloading the cord. Our third product is Voxture 3-prong pure copper EDL. This 6 feet 3-prong replacement AC power cord is a practical solution for safely powering computers, TVs, monitors, printers, gaming consoles, and other compatible electronics. Featuring a NEMA 5-15P to IEC C13 connection, 18 AWG construction, and a 10A/125E rating, it provides reliable power for everyday devices with a standard 3-pin connection. The 100% pure copper conductors offer strong conductivity while helping minimize power loss, and the flexible SVT PVC jacket adds durability without making the cable difficult to handle or position. Being ETL listed, the cord has been tested for safety, performance, and compliance, providing added confidence for regular use. Its 6-foot length offers a useful balance between reach and cable management, making it convenient for desks, entertainment centers, and home office setups. Compatibility covers popular brands and devices from HP, Samsung, Dell, Lenovo, Vizio, LG, Acer, Asus, and more. With its plug-and-play design, installation is simple and requires no special setup. Now number 4, Brindaz 3-prong power cord. This 18 AWG 3-prong power cord with a NEMA 5-15P to IEC C5 Mickey Mouse connector is a versatile replacement for compatible TVs, monitors, computers, chargers, printers, and other electronics. Its 3-prong design provides a secure connection, while UL, COL, and CSA approvals offer added confidence in safety and compliance. The IECC5 connector works with many power bricks and charging adapters, making this cable particularly useful when an original cord is lost, damaged, or needs replacement. It supports a wide range of devices and brands, including compatible LG smart TVs and monitors, Dell, HP, Asus, Acer, Lenovo, Toshiba, and more. The cable is especially convenient for setups using compatible C6 inlets, offering straightforward plug-and-play operation. However, compatibility is crucial, so users should carefully compare the connector shape and device port before purchasing. Overall, it is a practical, dependable power solution for electronics requiring a three-prong C5 connection. And our last choice is Elikin three-prong power cord. This heavy-duty three-prong power cord is designed for reliable, safe, and convenient power delivery across PCs, monitors, printers, laptops, and other compatible electronics. Its fully molded construction offers excellent durability, flexibility, and resistance to aging, while the high-quality materials help the cable remain cool during extended use. The space-saving 90-degree angled IEC 320C13 female connector and flat NEMA 5-15P male plug make it especially useful in tight spaces where conventional cords can be difficult to position. Built with 18 AWG 100% pure copper wire, it supports up to 125V, 10A, and 1250W for dependable everyday performance. ETL certification adds confidence in its safety standards, while multiple length options from 1.5 feet to 50 feet provide flexibility for different setups. Its broad compatibility includes Acer Aspire, Asus VivoBook, Toshiba Satellite, HP Pavilion, and more. A 2-year refund or replacement warranty further enhances its value for long-term use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.